All right, so I'm going to show you how to graph question number 6 on the 8.2 homework assignment. Okay, it says graph a function by using transformations. Plot all necessary asymptotes. For vertical asymptotes, make sure there are at least 2 points on each side. So the graph is 1 over x, but this x minus 2, it's like there's parentheses here, so it would actually move it to the right 2. So instead of having a vertical asymptote at x equals 0, I need to place it at 2. And so I'm going to click on vertical asymptote and place it at 2. You can see it turned blue. I also need to place my horizontal asymptote, which is at y equals 0. Now that I have that placed, I'm going to pick 2 points on the right and 2 points on the left. So all I have to do is plug in a value on the right of my vertical asymptote. So I'm going to choose 3. So when I plug in 3 for x, I would do 1 over 3 minus 2, which is 1. So that would be one of my points. And then another point I could choose is maybe 4. So if I plug in 4 for x, that would be 1 over 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So that would be 1/2. So that would be my other point. And now I have to do 2 points to the left. So I'm probably going to pick 1. Notice 1 is to the left of my asymptote. So if I plug in 1, then for my fraction, it's going to be 1 over 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. So that would just be 1 comma negative 1. And then I'm going to plug in probably another point to the left. So I'll probably try negative 1. So I could try any of these x values. So I'm going to do negative 1. So I'm plugging negative 1 in here for x. So negative 1 is my x. And so I'm going to do 1 over negative 1 minus 2. Negative 1 minus 2 is negative 3. So that becomes negative 1/3. Whoops, sorry. That's negative 1. And this is negative 1/3. All right, once I plotted my points, now I can go ahead and connect them and click check. All right, and then I'll just say that on number 7, you are going to be doing a very similar thing. You're going to plot the asymptotes, then you'll want to do 2 points on each side. I hope this helps. Bye.